Hi everybody, it's Barbara Campbell, an independent digital music artist, creator, producer, and I'm just going to play the piano. Remember, I'm not classically trained, and I remind you because I'm an artist and I'm using this instrument, this beautiful piano, as my tool to create and tell a story. Something I'm working on. As I look around, when do I belong? As the world turns, there's so much to learn. As I look around, there's me as I am. As I look around, when do I belong? As the world turns, there's so much to learn. As I look around, there's me as I am. There's me as I am. It's a new song I'm working on. My. I performed this last year, and I'm revising it for this season. And I think it's a song that is a great song for right now, for these times. So tune back, everybody. I'm Barbara Campbell. Thank you so much for your attention and watching me play the piano here. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Today's a nice, peaceful day, and at the piano. And the piano is such a beautiful place to be. If you ever consider getting a piano, get a piano. It's beautiful. All right, everybody. Till then, you count them out. Stay in Brooklyn, and I'll see you in the next BC original rehearsal at the Barbara Campbell Television. Thank you so much. I'm an independent digital music artist, and I appreciate your support. Here's how you can support me as an artist, because I've been told that I got to talk to you, my fans, my supporters. Follow me, tell a friend, spread the word. You have the power to push local, independent music forward by telling your friends, by putting it to your playlist, encouraging other people to listen. You're going to a party, bring the song with you. Play it at the party. Play it at your job, wherever you see that there's a music opportunity to support an independent artist like myself and many others around the world. Do so. You, my fans, my supporters, my friends have the power to push local independent music artists working on independent music, are not supported by big, companies, to helping them support and push forward their music so the world can hear their music. And I talked about music heals the soul. That's why it's so important that I take a time to kind of talk about it, because that's the only way you become aware. And once you're aware, you'll find the time to support and kind of be, part of that fan team pushing the music forward at BC Music, Barbara Campbell Music. Thank you, everybody. Till then, you Campbell, stay in Brooklyn. Don't forget to vote and stay green. Bye-bye.